people of YouTube. I can't tell you his name, but he goes under the name of Mike Honcho. You can look him up. Want the impact?
Well, I don't know if it'll get to it or not.
Shoot. Put the impact on everything. It's probably the reason we're out here working on it and at 20 degrees.
That's alright.
Giggity.
Giggity, giggity.
Giggity. People of YouTube. I can't tell you his name, but he goes under the name of Mike Honcho. You can look him up. And he charges by the pound. So yes, we got up here to test. Batteries are dead. Jumper cables don't have ends on them. You know, things happen. And we finally get the truck to start, and now it's spraying water everywhere because the steam ports ain't tight. No rings have blowed out. We're going Permatex sitting. Well, now we don't have no antifreeze or water, so we're just going to wing it. You're not going to piss in it. I mean, it is an LS now, so it would totally make sense.
I mean, I'm just saying, we've done it before.
Well, if there's an ending to this video, keep watching. I don't know if there's going to be an ending or not.
Water pump went bad, Bubba.
The water pump itself?
Water pump itself.
That's awesome. Because that pump is not stock at all.
There's where your antifreeze been going.
Once again, we've had a very successful night. We started off the night with some dead batteries, and with the help of a few buddies, we jerry-rigged, to say the least, a set of cables together enough to get the thing to start. And at that point, when we noticed that the steam vents were pouring for some reason, we got that taken care of. Found out I was low on antifreeze, and we couldn't really figure out why it would be that low. So we waited around for like an hour, and one of my buddies had brought some antifreeze to us. Got it off the trailer, turned it around, and wouldn't you know it, the water pump goes out. This thing is pouring. Like, it went from not even leaking, got it off the trailer, pouring antifreeze. So we've had a very successful night. Couple rookie mistakes. Make sure you always check your batteries. I have a trickle charger. I just need to get it back from one of my buddies. I should have had the trickle charger on it, but I didn't. I should have known of the vent leaking, the steam vent, but I mean, honestly, I haven't had enough tip enough to find that. And who would have known the water pump was going to go out? So tomorrow's Sunday. I'm gonna go buy a new water pump. I ain't gonna mess with nothing used. Cut the AM fittings off of this, weld it onto that one. We may make some passes tomorrow. I don't know. This thing has chewed me apart. There's not been a thing on it went easy. I know it's a broken record. Race cars are not easy. There's a reason everybody don't do it. And to the kid that I met at Walmart tonight that was really excited to see this truck, I know you said you was going to go check the YouTube out. If you see this, this is what I was getting at. Don't get into race cars. I mean, if you do, you know, don't do it like this. It's expensive. It will consume you. It will eat you, and you can never get away from it. So this is what I mean. We spent all night long to not even make a pass. 20 of my friends were up there. You know, not 20, but a bunch, and we wasted all night. We're sitting in the cold. It's cold as hell now. I got my old boy in the truck waiting on me, so we're gonna call it a night. Tomorrow, if I get this thing done, we might make some Sunday test hits. So, if so, we'll see you then.